Guys, welcome back to King Online Trading School. If this is your first time you will be checking on our channel, please make sure you click that subscribe button and ensure you turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload any new content. And of course, if you are into forex trading, crypto trading, binary options, this channel is definitely for you. We have a lot of good content that can better your trading career, so feel free to explore our channel, guys. Okay, guys, yesterday we uploaded our analysis for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and few other coins, but right now we are seeing another phase of Bitcoin and all other altcoins. So I'm going to start with Bitcoin. In our analysis yesterday, we explained that Bitcoin has broken a minor supply zone right here, and we'll analyze that before we can take this trade, we should expect something like this. When this break of this area happen right now, we should expect Bitcoin to do something like this, and around this area is when we should look out for a reversal candlestick pattern, indicating to us that Bitcoin is ready to continue to the upside. But right now, as you can see right at this area, the rejection of price right here was so long to the extent that this area was not able to hold. So this is a signal that we should always look for a reversal candlestick pattern before we go into a trade. So now, if we are to analyze this right now, going to the weekly time frame right now on Bitcoin, you will see that since yesterday, Bitcoin has been dropping right now. So guys, right now, based on what we are seeing right now, we have already seen this area right here, a major supply zone right here being broken, which is obviously has opened Bitcoin for more move to the upside. But right now, based on what we are seeing right now, and based on a lot of supply and demand trading, we are expecting Bitcoin is most likely going to drop down to around 48,756 USDT, which is what we also mentioned in our analysis yesterday, that we are still expecting Bitcoin to drop down to this level right now. So if I should go back to daily time frame, so right now, guys, around this level, we see Bitcoin is already climbing as we have stated yesterday, but right now we are still at a good area where we can look for more buy on Bitcoin. So we are convinced, as Bitcoin is sitting right at the retest of a break of supply zone. So right now, this area right here is where price is where Bitcoin is sitting right now. So this is a significant area right now, guys. And if I should draw down to H4, you will see that this area right here, Bitcoin has already started slowing down. So this is a major demand zone under the daily. So we are expecting this area to hold. And if that is not going to happen, then the next area we should expect Bitcoin to drop down to is somewhere around this area at 48,000 area. So guys, right now, if I should draw down to H4 on Bitcoin, which is what we can see right now, drawing my trend line right now, you can see that the trend line has already been broken, and this area right here on the daily is where price is already sitting, okay, which is the area where we expect Bitcoin to reverse, if ever is going to continue to the upside. But I tell you guys, if this area, if price should close below 57,750, and I tell you, it's going to keep pushing down some more. So this area right here is a significant area, and as you can see, Bitcoin has started slowing down right at this area. As we can see, major support right here. We see a support level right here. As you can see, a support level right here, another support right here, and we can see another support right here, and Bitcoin has started slowing down right at this area. So this is an area where you have to watch closely to look out for your reversal candlestick pattern, guys. All right, so this is a good area to look out for reversal candlestick pattern and expect Bitcoin to push up, and the same, and expect Bitcoin to keep pushing on. So watch closely at this area before you take your buy entry, and you have to wait for a reversal candlestick pattern. And if this area gets taken out on the daily, so which means we have to wait for the end of the day. If price should close right below this level, then we should have to look for more downside on Bitcoin USDT. So for me, I am looking out for a buy right at this area, waiting for confirmation candle as Bitcoin has started slowing down. Okay, otherwise I'm going to look for more sell if this area get broken. So that is that for Bitcoin. So let's go on to Ethereum USD. Now Ethereum USDT, in our analysis, in our previous analysis, we indicated that before we can go in for Ethereum, this area right here was our entry for a buy on Ethereum, which is what we indicated yesterday in our analysis yesterday, that those who have taken a trade right here must have taken the right entry. But for those who have missed an entry right here, we analyze that before we can go into an entry, we should wait for this supply zone right here on 4 hours to get taken out before we can go into a trade. Right now, you can see Bitcoin, Ethereum USDT tested this supply zone and dropped right back down. So we analyzed yesterday that we want to see something like this, the break of this structure, to see Ethereum break above this for our supply zone. Then we want to see something like this. Then right at this area, wait for your retest and reversal candlestick pattern before we can take a buy. So for those who were in the trade yesterday, who took the entry right around this area, must have broken even, taken some profit right at this level, which is a good profit area right here. So we analyze that those who miss this entry should expect this level to get broken, then take your trade at the confirmation candle to the upside. But right as we can see, guys, that price rejected right from this area and dropped right back down on Ethereum. So now, what we are seeing right on Ethereum is that it's sitting at a good area. So if I should also go to the weekly time frame on Ethereum, so we will see that right from what we analyzed yesterday, that this area has been broken, which is where we see as a supply zone right now, which is an area where we saw as a supply zone, which price has already broken. Right now, based on this, the current move we are seeing right now, Ethereum is most likely going to draw down to somewhere here around this level, or even below down to this level. So right now, what we are seeing right now on Ethereum is that if I should draw my trend line right now, we will see that Ethereum is still within the uptrend. So going back to the daily time frame right now. So what we see right now on the Ethereum based on the daily time frame is simply this. We are expecting Ethereum to draw down to this level right here, this area right here, okay? Expecting to drop down to around 4,140 USDT before we can see more move up right now. So right now, this is approaching the area. So drawing my trend line. So we will see that this is still within the trend line. So we expect this to drop down to this place. So guys, this is an area between 4,155 and 3,855 is going to be an area where we should expect this to look out to take a trade right at this level. at these two area right there, it's going to be an area where we should look out for a trade on the Ethereum USDT. So if I should draw down to H4 right now, so let's see what is happening right at the H4 level. So guys, right now at the H4 level, what I'm seeing right now is that as this has already broken the major daily zone right here, what we are seeing right on H4, according to my own opinion, is that if I should draw my trend line right here, you will see that this is currently sitting within the institutional trend line right now. So the institutional area and demand area where we can see right now on H4 is around this level, guys. Okay, so this is still within the trend, all right, and we are here to confirm that the trend is broken because the demand zone is here to be taken out on H4. So right now, guys, Ethereum is also sitting at a good H4 level. The same thing we are seeing right now on BTC USDT. So right now, as we are seeing Ethereum USDT sitting at the current supply H4, so we are watching this area closely to see what is going to happen, all right? So right now, we want to wait for a good confirmation candle, but be mindful, if in the next couple of hours, we see candle close right below 4,135 USDT, then we have to wait for more downside for Ethereum to draw down below 3,848 before we can look for more buy, all right? So this is going to be a good area to look for more buy right now. So waiting for the confirmation candle, I repeat again, guys. So after the confirmation candle, guys, once you take your trade, then our stop loss is going to be right below this level right here, guys. Okay, stop loss is going to be right below this level, while our target still remain at 5,100 as what we have analyzed yesterday, guys. So guys, this is still sitting right at a good area. So watch this area closely, and if this area gets taken out, then the next area we are heading to is very below 3,856 USDT. So that is what I have for you on the Ethereum USDT. So right at this area, so let's wait and expect more move to the upside, waiting for the confirmation candle. I repeat again, because this is sitting at a good So this is all I have for you on the Ethereum USDT. So now let's look at BNB. Now let's take a look at BNB. So once we take a look at BNB, going into the weekly time frame, let's see what we have for the weekly. We currently see that BNB USDT is currently sitting at a significant area, okay, or is already at a good high right now. So we are waiting for some confirmation or to get this area broken to the upside. So if I should draw down to my daily time frame, so right now, as we can see, this is also a good area where we are expecting either this to drop from or to break this level to the upside. So right now, if I should draw my trend line with this, we will see that BNB USDT is already on the high side, but right now it's sitting at an area where we should expect this to we are expecting this to either break up or come down. So right now, in my own opinion, I am expecting BNB to drop down to around this area to respect this trend line before we can see more push up to this to the upside. So I am expecting BNB to draw down to around. I'm expecting to draw down to around 5,500. Sorry, to around 535,000. So around 534 USDT. I beg your pardon. So this is going to be a significant area where I am expecting BNB to retest, to come and retest the trend line before we can see a possible push up to the upside. And currently right now, Bitcoin, sorry, Binance is currently on the pool where a lot of people have to put in their BNB. So this is helping BNB to go strong right now. So after the launch part, so we are expecting BNB to drop down to this level before we can see a possible push up. So right now, BNB USDT is expected to draw down to around 540 USDT before we can see a push up. So we are going to wait for that. So coming into the 4-hour time frame, this is also a significant area as well. So guys, this is all I have for you on BNB USDT. So we are going to wait to see how this is going to play out. So guys, if you are here to join our Telegram channel, so feel free, there's a Telegram link down below. Feel free to join us on Telegram. So we'll be dropping signal according to this one to see a good entry for us to take the trade. So we will be dropping the signal. So feel free to join us, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, all right? And feel free to share this and drop a like if you really enjoy the content of this video. So thank you so much for being here. I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Bye bye for now, and God bless.